This guy there, you can just see how big this guy. Here we go. Look up dive already. Sometimes you put on a pretty darn good show. Look at that. Like that, that's a pretty good indication that they're going to put down for a long time. Oh my God! Several major upwelling areas along the coast of California here in the Monterey Submarine Canyon. It actually dissects the bay right down the center. Here we go. And again. And again. Largest animals ever lived on the planet, guys. Right there.
Wow, come on.
Here we go. All right, here we go. Side of the rail. Here we go.